What's up everybody, I am Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. Today, I'm going to give you the best way to invest your first $1,000 and the answer will shock you. Yeah, I know I'm being dramatic, but this isn't going to be one of those take your $1,000 and just throw it in the stock market type of videos that most people expect. That's probably why we're the Minority Mindset, because we don't think like the majority of people. Okay, you have $1,000 you want to invest. Great. Let's start by making sure that this is not your only $1,000 and that you have some savings built up just in case. Once we have that, now let's talk about how most people will tell you to start investing. Most sound advice will tell you to take that $1,000 and throw it into a traditional low-cost index fund so you can make something like 7% a year on your money. Now, don't get me wrong, index funds can be a great investment, but let's look at the numbers. If you got a reasonable 7% return on your $1,000 after 1 year of investing your money, that means you would make, drumroll please, $70. Oh. That adds up to about $5.83 a month. Even if you got an amazing 20% return on your money, which is a great return, you're still talking about less than $17 a month. Sure, $70 is better than nothing, but I'm assuming that you don't want to wait until you're old to finally start being able to enjoy your money. Like, let's take a look at the same example where you got a 7% annual return on your money, but this time you had $100,000 invested. If you invest $100,000 and you can get a 7% return on your money, now you will make, drumroll please, $7,000, and this is money that your money made for you. And if you invested $1 million and you were able to get the same 7% return on your money, now your money will make you $70,000 over the year and you don't gotta do anything. So now we're talking. That's why my goal is to take your $1,000 investment amount to at least $100,000 as soon as possible. That doesn't mean that you have to wait until you have $100,000 sitting in your bank account before you should start investing, but this is where the minority mindset thinking starts to come in. If you only have $1,000 to invest, I would rather you take that money and put it in a place where you have the potential to earn a lot more money by actively investing your money, because now you're going to be physically working to grow your money. So I want you to take this $1,000 that you have and invest it into yourself. This way you can create a second stream of active income, and I call this active income because now you're going to be physically working to grow your money, unlike just throwing your money in the stock market or real estate or something else, because this is more passive. I'm going to run through 3 ways you can use your $1,000 in an active way to invest in yourself right now, and if you have other ideas, put them in the comments below. That way we can all learn from each other. The first way you can use your $1,000 is to invest this money into your own business. If you have a business idea, this is the perfect time to take your $1,000 and use it as seed capital to grow your business. Second, use your $1,000 as capital to start a low-cost business like social media marketing. Every single business in today's day and age needs an internet presence, yet the vast majority of businesses don't have a clue on how to use the internet to grow their business. This is great news for you because now you can come in and you can charge these businesses $1,000 or $2,000 or even $10,000 a month to do their paid advertising, their marketing, their social media content, and everything else on the internet. And if you don't know how to do social media marketing, well, now you can use your $1,000 to go out and invest in a course or education that will teach you how to do the social media marketing. This way you can go out and you can start making money from this low-cost business. And third, you can service other digital businesses with your talents, whether you know how to write or design or code or whatever, as a freelancer. So now instead of starting a business, you'll be servicing them, and now you can take your $1,000 to build a website where you can market what your talents are, and you can use the rest of the money to promote yourself on these freelance websites. This way you can build your reputation, get clients, and get reviews. This way you can start building consistent income as a freelancer where now you're servicing other businesses. The reason I want you to start off this way is because if you only have $1,000 to invest, you will get a much better return over the long run if you start off by investing your money with an active investment like one of these, because then you'll have more money coming in to fuel step 2. Oh yeah, there's a step 2. Once you got more money coming in, now it's time for some passive investing. The simplest and easiest way to start is by investing your money in a low-cost index fund. You can start with $1,000 or less, the fees are tiny, and you don't really gotta do much of anything. You throw your money into the index fund and then you're done. Wait, but Jaspreet, you just talked about how $1,000 is not enough to invest passively. Am I missing something? The difference between now and before is now you're not just investing $1,000 and calling it a day, you're investing $1,000 every month or every other month. So this $1,000 is the base for your consistent passive investments because you have more money coming in from your active investments. Now you're using the active investments that I just talked about to fund your passive investments, which won't make you as much money, but you make this money without really doing anything. Passive investments like index funds are simple and easy to use, but the only way you're gonna be able to get the big returns is if you're consistently investing money, like $1,000 every month or every 2 months or every 3 months. And once you become the master of this and you have a sizable chunk of money growing, now you can start to think even bigger. As you probably know, I'm a big fan of real estate investing because you can create passive income and you can get huge tax breaks. Well, if you only have $1,000 to invest every month or every 2 months, it might be a while before you have enough money to go out and buy some property. But you can start with the stock market and you can use that to start leveraging and growing your wealth. And that's when, if you feel like you want to take it one step further, you can start taking some of the money that you made and you can shift it to real estate. This way you have more diversification and you have tax breaks and different streams of income. But none of this is possible unless you start taking that first $1,000 and you put it to work. Now, when you're ready for passive investing, you might ask yourself, okay, Jaspreet, how can I stay on top of what's happening in the finance and business world? This way I can make smart decisions with my money. Well, you're in the right place because the Minority Mindset has a free finance and business newsletter where our team will email you the top finance and business news. We break down what happened and we show you how this affects your wallet. This way you can make smart financial decisions. The newsletter is completely free and you can subscribe by clicking the link up here or by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with one friend so you can help spread the word. Don't miss any videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you actually find out when the new videos are released. And as always, keep hustling.